Hi, so here is a way to record your lesson plan or some activity or some instruction set. So you can go to this place called screencast-o-matic.com. It's a good place. I use it a lot. You can start your recorder. So I already started the recorder. That's why you can hear the recording right now. And I'm going to share with you the schedule for the planner. Hang on, I'm just trying to get through all this. Yeah, here we go. So here is the weekly lesson plan that you normally be using. Here is the, this is a Google shared file right now. I'm sharing it with you on my personal Google account. So let's just go ahead and do that right now until the school gets a Google account, which I'm working on that with the school. Anyway, for now, just you can use this, and you will see at the bottom are the different tabs for the different classrooms, right, for the different year levels. So you just click on your tab. You click on your tab, if you can. Hang on, I'm just a little bit of fiddling around. So for example, if we go to pre-K's tab and Simone is going to do her planner in there, you just double click and there you go. So you type in what it is that you had in mind for this during this period of this week. All right. Now, what I'd like you to consider is a schedule for your NERA app posts. Right. These should be information posts for parents once per day during that time frame there. There's various reasons for that time frame, so it might be better to actually just respect that time frame. Don't post earlier or later than that, unless there's some circumstance. Right, you should be posting on the NERA app this week's plan and any task instructions or perhaps task material that you want to share on the app. All right? Okay, that gives you a basic, that gives you the foundation plan. Next, you can make a Zoom conference. However, you're going to need to go in and look at how to use Zoom. So go and see a YouTube tutorial and see how to use it. It's very straightforward. I would like you never to be going one-to-one with kids, just you and the kid. It's ideally if it's you and a TA and the kid, or you and the parent and the kid. That's kind of ideal. I'm sure there's going to be lots of exceptions and lots of different things going on there, but let's aim to have you not alone in a chat situation which is unmonitored and unrecorded. All right, that's for our child protection policy and also for your own protection. Telegram groups. Small groups, once you've got that class list of phone numbers, which we're working on and will come to you, then you can make small groups within the class. And once again, inside those groups, please have me and your TA inside the group as well, so that your communication with those groups is involving 3 persons. Potentially, I could be in on that group, or I would have access to it anyway. I should just be a member on all of your Telegram class groups, please. And that's just so that you've also got some backup support from me in case anything is needed. Right? And then printed materials and textbook materials need to be ready every Monday by 3 p.m. Drop it off at the security gate. Let's see how that process will turn out. Use your TAs, please, to help you. They need things to do. We need to give them work to do so that they can feel part of all of this as well. Parents to pick up from the security gates on the Tuesday morning. And work that is done at home, especially assessment, is to be photographed for teacher feedback and grading purposes, as opposed to the parent delivering or dropping off work from home. So let's move away from that. Let's not have the parents bring homework back for you to check, because then maybe it's just going to be complicated and messy, and then you'll have the book and then they won't have the book, and then something like that will become messy, right? So let's maybe just work that's done at home just gets kept at home, but for your feedback on their work, they can take a photo and send that photo to you. If it's difficult to read the photo, etc., and you can't grade it, you can't assess it properly, in such a case, and if it was a worksheet which you did want to use as an assessment, and it's fine for the parent to drop that assessment off to you, then fine. Okay, there's no hard and fast rules on any of this right now, but in general, you want to try and keep it simple as possible. All right, so at the very least, if you can be preparing some materials that parents can pick up on Monday at 3 p.m. Also, can you keep in mind that all of the teachers and TAs will be doing this for every Monday. So therefore, try to sequence it, try and make it easy for each other, get your things photocopied, let's get a queue inside that room so that it's orderly and nobody's pushing in on each other and nobody's annoying each other. We want to have everything so that we're all working smoothly with each other. Okay? So, what's my basic message there? Get your photocopying in early. Try to get it done as early as you can each week. So that means you would want to be starting to photocopy, I would think, on the Wednesday, continuing your photocopying Thursday and Friday, finishing it on Monday, and then it's ready on Monday afternoon for parents to pick up. Okay? Or any variation of what I've just said there. But my main thing is don't leave all your photocopying and printing for Monday afternoon at 2 p.m. Okay? Because there will be other people that will be photocopying and printing, and then you will get stuck. Alright? So, anyway, that's it. Hope that made sense. I hope all of this little screencast made sense. As you can see, it was 7 minutes. Notice how 7 minutes might be just a tad too long. So little recordings like that, good to keep them at 6 minutes. Ciao, guys.